Hi everyone, at Bitcot, we are an AI and automation company, and as an AI implementer, we look at both low-code and pro-code solutions. Today, we are going to build an agent workflow using a low-code tool, Flowwise AI. At the end of this demo, we want anyone to be able to quickly build, and also we will review pricing at the end. AgentX is an AI agent platform that can generate leads, book appointments, and send emails automatically. It supports various actions and provides a human-like experience for your customers. Performance tracking offers statistics and interaction monitoring to ensure quality service. Enterprise AI search uses AgentX and integrates with tools like Google Drive and Notion for workflow automation. Multi-agent collaboration supports specialized agents and cross-vendor LLM teamwork. No-code agent building works with GPT-4, Claude, Gemini, etc. for custom ChatGPT-like solutions. Multi-channel deployment integrates with websites, Slack, Discord, and messaging platforms. It also has 1,000 plus MCP tools to empower your business with AI agents. So, let's start building an AI agent. If you don't have an account, you need to first create an account. Here is the interface with multiple options, and I'm going to create an AI customer support agent. So first we will select the workspaces. In that interface we will click on the Create an Agent button to create an agent. Here, in this step, you can select models based on your specific preferences. We have multiple models from various providers, and I'm going to use the powerful OpenAI GPT 4.1 mini model. Here, I'm going to select the customer support option. We have various guidelines available, but I've chosen customer support. You can modify these existing instructions based on your requirements. You can also choose one according to your use case or needs. After that, finally click on the Create an Agent button to complete the process of creating an agent. After clicking, you can see that we have successfully created our agent. Now, let's open it. Here, you can see the agent we just created. You can also modify the name of your existing chatbot. By default, I've named mine Charles. You can change it based on your requirements. Let's test the agent we just created. I'll start by saying, "Hi." Apart from simple chat, it also has multiple features. For example, you can upload a file and chat based on the uploaded data. Let's try another query. "How can you assist me?" We also have a speech-to-text feature for voice input. As you can see in the interface, there are feedback buttons for rating responses as good or bad. Overall, there are multiple features available, and you can build agents with a variety of AI capabilities. Here in AgentX, we have flexible pricing plans for companies of all sizes, including a free tier and a paid tier. You can select the plan based on your use case. We hope you found this valuable. We're committed to sharing more insights on AI implementations, so stay tuned for upcoming videos. If we can support you in any way on your AI or automation journey, don't hesitate to reach out. Connect directly with our founder, Raj Songvi, via email at raj@bitcot.com or send him a text at 8589438545. We'd love to help.